We are pleased to welcome you to 417 Maher Road, where versatility and multiple income streams are at your fingertips. Here you'll find the spacious western-facing single-level home with wonderful natural light and spectacular valley views. Just a few steps away from the main house is a separate one-bedroom apartment with its own kitchen and bath. It is attached to the oversized 3-car garage, which has plenty of room for your vehicles and projects. Also on the knoll is a lovely detached artist studio. In the remaining acreage of the property, you'll find a couple of stalls, a fenced corral and fenced pasture lands, and some of the most gorgeous oak trees. This property combines very usable acreage, extensive infrastructure, and multiple established units, which makes the possibilities for this property seem endless. Call today to see if this versatile property is the fit that you have been dreaming about. Thank you.